Your iPhone usually doesn't have any physical labels showing how much storage it has, but you can easily check this in your settings. Go to Settings and then General. From there, we'll go to iPhone Storage, and you'll see an overview of your current storage situation. I can, for example, see that my phone has 128 gigabytes of storage, and currently I'm using about 82 gigabytes. There's some recommendations on how to free up storage, and if I scroll down, I'll see a breakdown of the apps that are currently taking up the most storage on my phone. On the bottom, I'll see how much iOS and system data are taking up. These are both unfortunately something you as a user don't have much control over. The first one is the operating system, also called iOS, and it's needed to keep your iPhone running. System data, on the other hand, contains a lot of supporting files that are required under the hood to keep your phone running smoothly. System data fluctuates, and even though there's no way to clear it, I've seen it get reduced by quite a bit sometimes by simply restarting my phone. And that's how you check the storage on your iPhone. Click that like button if this helped you, and subscribe for more easy guides like this.